Once again, I welcome you to the online class of AIS. I am Shormishta Das, your maths teacher. Today I am going to start with exercise 3.3 that is mainly based on LCM, and I am going to teach you two main methods of LCM, that is by prime factorization method and division method. So let's get started. Exercise 3.3, sum number A. Find the LCM by the prime factorization method. I am going to solve sum number 3. 30 and 45, two numbers are given. I need to find out LCM by prime factorization method. Since the method name is mentioned in the question, so if it is mentioned, students need to follow that particular method only. If any method is not mentioned, then a student can follow any of the method he or she feels like. Step 1. Find the prime factors of each number. That means I need to find out prime factors for 30 as well as for 45. How will I find it out? By division method I can do it. It can be divided by 2. I will be getting 15. Again by 3 I will be getting 5. Similarly for 45, 15, 3 5s are. So I have got the prime factors for 30, that is 2, 3, 5. For 45 I have got 3, 3 and 5. Step 2. Ring all common factors taking only one factor out of a set of common factors. Multiply all prime factor, this gives the LCM. Now first what I am going to do, I am going to write down 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Taking only one factor out of a set of common factors, multiply all prime factors. So I will be taking each one of them. So LCM of 30 and 45 equals to, first I am going to take 2 and I need to multiply. So I will be giving multiplication sign. Then I can take 3. See over here 3 has been repeated twice and over here only once. So I will be writing 3 twice because it has been repeated twice. 5 over here also one time it's written and over here also it's 1. So only one time I will be writing 5 because it's not repeated. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. After multiplying it, the result will be my LCM. So 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are, that is 90. So LCM of 30 and 45 is 90. Now sum number B. Find the LCM by the division method. Three numbers are given, 18, 24, 32. One more thing, either you do the LCM by prime factorization method or by division method, the answer will be same. So by division method, I am going to write down the numbers in this way. And I am going to find out a least prime factor that can divide minimum 2 of the numbers. At least 2 of the numbers should be divided. So I can take 2. 2 divided by 18 gives me 9. Then 12. Then 16. Then again I can take 2 because it can divide 12 and 16. And at least 2 numbers should be divided. So since 9 cannot be divided by 2, so directly I will be writing 9 here. 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are. Again by 2. Straight away I will be writing 9 because 9 cannot be divided by 2. 2 3s are, 2 4s are. Now it can be divided by 3. I'll not take 2 because only 4 can be divided. 3 and 9 won't be divided. So I'll be taking 3. 3 3s are, 3 1s are, and 4 I'll be writing directly 4 because 4 can't be divided by 3. Now I cannot take any other number because 3, 4, 4 is a composite number. 3 and 1 both are prime numbers. So I'll be leaving the LCM till here. Now the LCM of 18, 24 and 32 is equal to, I need to multiply all these factors, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 4. So this gives me 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 9s are, that is 8, 9 8s are 72, 72 into 4, that is 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 9s are 72, 72 into 4, that is 288. So 288 is the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. This is my answer. So here we come to the end of this exercise. That is exercise 3.3. Hope you understood. Thank you, students.